Okay, quick review of the Grogu kit I just picked up tonight, September 13th, 2022. It's Bandai, 1/4 scale plastic model kit. Grogu himself is 1/12. Chevy, get out of the way. I'm trying to do a review here. I have already removed the plastic wrap. Chevy, so we can get the runners. I'm gonna lay them out here. You are gonna get a butt whooping, cat. So, pretty much this is it. This runner looks like it's his body. Looks like different faces, facial expressions. I think this is part of his jacket. And flip this over, the little bitty Grogu that goes in the little pram. So, you get a larger one and a smaller one. So, and I'm pretty sure the larger one is what they mean by 1/12. And it looks like also you get a frog to put in his mouth. Probably the larger one. Yeah, there it would be right there. That's about it. I'll probably do another video after it's assembled. Bye-bye.